All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. We are going to show you the woods course that we made for Nathan. We have some more limbs to trim up on it. I put markers out. I'm gonna put some more ribbons. It's not ribbons, it's like tape. Actually, that's like drywall tape that I had extra of, so I was just putting it on the trees to mark where the course is. It's about a mile long. It might be a little bit less, but it's just for practice, so Nathan can practice for the Spartan 2 race in Sparta, Georgia next weekend. Layla's gonna come. Drew said she's gonna come. And I don't know where Drew is though, but Nathan's gonna practice the race on his 250F, and Drew said she's gonna practice on the EE5. I had the EE5 all the way charged. Once again, the KLX 110L's battery is completely dead. There is a new golf cart. If you wanna see the video of us surprising the kids after they got out of school with the new golf cart, it's on the Loverboy channel, so check it out. And those of you that have already watched the video, thank you so much for all the support. Really appreciate it, guys.
It went in my shoes.
Hi, Dad!
Hey, how's it going?
Mom's outside. You have to put shoes on.
Yeah, what's all over your face?
No, like
Nothing? Hi, Mom.
Hi.
We're gonna go through the woods. I made like a woods course for Nathan to practice for next week's Sparta race. So we're gonna go back through and kind of trim some limbs up and show them where it is. Phoenix, you ready to go back through the woods course? It was just me and Phoenix this morning going through the course, like trekking through the woods to try to make this trail. So we're gonna go back through, trim up, I know they're big, trim up some more limbs and put some more markers out so it's a little bit more clear.
So what does this thing have on it? Like 23-inch tires and a 6-inch lift kit?
I have no idea.
Has like a
All I know is it looked good, and I think I got a good deal on it, but the only thing that I can see, here, get this helmet real quick, Nathan. That's kind of like a little bit annoying to me. Watch out, Liv. Watch out, is like, look at all the corrosion. But, I don't know. It's like a bunch of corrosion on there, so I'm gonna have to clean all those leads off. The batteries seem like they charge pretty good. It takes, how long do you think it takes to charge?
Like 12 hours.
Like 12 hours, yeah. Anyways, he's getting like what, 23 miles per charge? Is that pretty normal?
It says 21.8, and I'm pretty sure DigiHood is accurate with miles.
Right, but we put it on the charger for like an hour and a half after the first time.
I know, but it would probably go like average is probably like 21 miles.
Yeah, but it goes 25 max, right? 25 miles an hour max.
But there's a limiter on it, so.
And it had, but it's set up for torque. What?
I can't drive this thing.
I know you're too small. You're too small.
When I get bigger, I can drive it.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Can Layla drive it?
No, I can drive it, and then I.
Layla, can you drive it?
yeah.
Good.
I drove
I can get
from the
bigger,
pool
and then I
to
can drive
back.
this thing.
Nice. All right, Drew, you ready?
I'll go get her.
Drew's supposed to come with us.
I'll go get her.
Anyways, we're about to go through the woods and show you guys the course, so it's gonna be fun. And then after that, Nathan is going to ride the 250F just to try to make some trails through it with the dirt bike.
Yep.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please leave us a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more videos to come. It's gonna be fun. Ride Fly, 50 gigawatts. All right, guys, we got everybody. Drew, Nathan, and Layla, we're all going to go through the woods, and I'm gonna show them the trail that I made so far, but we're gonna trim it up. I think I already
And
said
Nathan
that.
made that little dirt bike thing.
Oh yeah, Nathan made like a jump right here, so we'll see if he can hit that later. We can kind of put some more dirt on there to shore it up some more.
You won't really wreck if you jump it in it either.
Pretty good. He packed it down with the golf cart too.
800 pounds.
All right, guys. Oh, where's Phoenix? All right, I got Phoenix. She's our bodyguard. Hey, you're coming? Mom said you can go?
Yeah.
All right, well, be careful in the woods.
Yeah, but you're coming with us.
Mom's gonna watch you. You coming too, babe? Yep. Okay.
But it's gonna be fun.
How packed that thing is, Dad? How packed it is.
Let's see. Oh yeah, that's good. That's some good.
Dad, does the golf cart weigh more than the lawnmower?
Yes, it weighs 800, I think 805 pounds.
Oh, more than your Harley?
Yes, my Harley weighs like 650 pounds.
How much does the lawnmower weigh? Like 400?
No, not even, like 3. If you ever ride your bike, there's a hole right here, so be careful.
And over there.
No, I didn't see the other one.
Dad, right there.
Where? Oh, right there. There's another one right here. Oh, look, deer poop.
Why is her poop so small? Can I eat a piece for the camera?
Okay, go ahead. Nathan's gonna eat deer poop, guys. Go on.
You eat it first.
I'm not eating it.
Is it nutritious?
Nutritious.
Is that deer food?
Yes. All right, the entrance of the trail starts right where Drew's at.
We sold like 6 years all ago.
Nice. Already got a marker right there, guys. You can't really see it, but it's right there in the tree. Kind of sucks. All right, so it starts out right there at the entrance, and it goes all the way through down to the bottom. It's a pretty long ways, and then the trail goes to the right, and then you make another right and cut all the way through the woods, and then go to the power line.
It's probably deep scared.
Are you scared? We're in the woods now. Nice.
Drew, hurry. Drew's all the way back there.
Ooh, getting dirt all on it. Look what we found on the tree, guys. A 410 shotgun shell.
Rusted.
Does it say 410?
Yep, 410. Does it still have some kick?
It's like for squirrel.
All right, guys. Well, we're gonna cut this. No, I'm kidding.
Where are you guys going?
Come on, guys.
Come on, Drew. Look, Nathan, I found where they were target practicing at. This 410 shell right there. See it? See all the little BB marks?
They hurt.
Yeah, they'll pepper a squirrel. But the only problem with that is when you go to eat the squirrel, you got all those little BBs in your meat, so you got to watch out for chewing. Come on, Drew, let's roll. All right, I'm coming.
Little deer stand, guys.
See, look, I got another marker right there. The white tape indicates where the trail is. There's another one right there.
Little deer stand. Yeah, do you think this could cut?
Look at that tree, guys.
Is that a disease on the tree?
I guess so. Like cancer or something. Crazy. Drew, you see where all the markers are at? I'm putting them up. That means that's where the trail is. Is it soft?
Yeah.
It's hard. It's like bark.
I don't know what it is. That's weird.
All right, we're hiking through the woods.
Come on, bud.
Oh, there's a marker. Found it. See, I already been through here.
I can't.
It's kind of hard to see them, right, Nathan?
Why am I hitting?
All right, so the way that we came is starting from up there. It goes all the way down this hill right here, and then it goes through some muddy areas, then makes a hard right, back up another trail, and then cuts straight through the woods, going to the power line. So you're gonna have to pay attention where we're going, and we're gonna trim a lot of limbs and stuff, so it will be easier to get through with the dirt bikes. But there is no way you could get through this with like a four-wheeler. That's why dirt bikes are the best to go trekking through the woods. Nathan, is she okay? Let me see her face. She probably got cut.
No, I didn't.
Are you okay? She's fine. Nathan, you gotta be careful, buddy.
Told me to cut it down. It's okay, look at her face.
You okay? It hit her right on the top of the head. All right, we got mud right here, guys. You don't have to go through the mud, but you can if you want to. There's a little bit of mud down here, Drew. If you want to go through it, you can.
We can just go around.
Phoenix is drinking it.
Yeah, it's fresh mud water. Dog's favorite.
Pretty deep, guys.
Yeah, it's pretty deep.
Well, let's see. We'll see.
Just get a stick and poke it in there.
Here, get your sleeve out. It's not that deep.
Is it soft?
Yeah.
Super soft. So if you hit that with a dirt bike, you better hit it fast.
Nah, you'll easily get through that. It's not terribly soft.
Oh, okay. We'll see. They're squirrel hunting.
I'm recording.
It's in my shoe.
Yeah?
It's a gummy pickle.
All right, I had to put your shoe back on.
Don't do that, Nathan.
All right, markers there. So we came all the way from up that way, down, made a hard right turn, coming up the hill this way. And then we were going to Go all the way up here. When you see the ribbons going into the woods, Drew, that's where you make a right. Phoenix knows where to go. And Drew looks like she knows where to go too. You think you can drive this so far, Drew? Huh?
Me and Drew have done.
Whoa, it's slippery right there.
We've drove down here a lot.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
You already came this way, Drew? Cool. Oh, that's a deer scrape right there, guys.
No, it ain't.
I mean, a rub.
Maybe.
Look what we found, guys. Oh, it's like toys. What is that? Like old electronics or something? What is that? Oh, it's like a little... Oh, it's a toy. You guys can play with that, Liv. Look.
The car?
No, it's like electron... Probably an old TV or something.
Let's see.
What's this? This looks like... Oh, it looks like somebody dumped stuff out here. Looks like an old carpet, tire, and...
This is cool.
Anyways, used to be a road, I guess, that came out here.
Yeah, that used to be my toy.
All right, leave it alone.
Dad.
Don't get cut on that. It's all rusty. All right, this is where you guys make the turn. Remember, come all the way up the hill, see the ribbons. Right here, Nathan, right here, you make the right. So now is when we need to start trimming limbs. So this is where we're gonna cut through the woods right here, and it's like really goes back in there. And I got it marked off in different areas. I'll put some more markers out so we can make it safer. So you don't wanna run into stuff. Whoa, nice, Nathan. Get it off the road. Nice. I'm not worried about the big limbs, just get the low-hanging limbs. Yeah. Put that there to mark it. All right, so follow me, and you can pick whichever way you want to roll. You can go through this way or this way, but this is the way that I went, up through here. All right, guys?
Which way?
Up through here, see the markers? You'll see. Just trim like limbs that are gonna be in your face mainly. We're gonna go through here with the GoPro, guys, and show you guys the whole trail with the 250 and the EE5. All right, still going through the woods. Markers all down through there. I don't know if you can see them or not. I wish they were like red. That's all I had. It's the white ones. Oh, right here. You guys are going the wrong way. You're supposed to go this way. Left right here. All right. This is the hard part right here, guys. So you can either go this way or that way, but it's a pretty good size jump and it's pretty slick to get up this hill right here. So you got to come down that way, make that hard left turn, come up here, and then you can either go that way or go straight. You want me to cut that or put a marker there? Right. All right, so you come out of this section of the woods, and this is the trail that we started down at first, but it goes straight through to this side. All right, come on. Is she okay? You're doing good. This is an adventure for you, right, Liv? All right, we're making it. So you go all the way through here, Nathan. Hey, Nathan, could you cut this off right here? Because I got the marker there, but I don't want you guys to run into that. Cool.
The T and the J?
Yeah.
All right, so look. We're gonna cut through this way, Nathan. Do it at the top.
Why, are you gonna mark it?
Can you want to take that tree down?
No.
Or leave it? Okay. Cut all that off.
No, it's good. It's good.
It's gonna hang up on your...
Good practice.
I don't want Drew to get all cut up. You think you can drive this so far?
No.
No?
Because of those trees.
Well, you're cutting through here. You're not going on the trees.
Oh.
Found a deer rub right there. That's how you can tell there's a buck in here, Nathan.
Huh?
That's how you can tell there's a buck. See that right there?
Yep.
That's where they rake their antlers on to get them strong.
You hear that?
Hello? phone's about to die.
Thanks for abandoning us. We'll live. All right, going through here to the power line, and you make a left at the power line trail. Yeah? Pretty good, right, Nathan? Let me get this out of the way. Right here, Nathan. This is gonna be all in your face.
Film.
What do you want to say to them?
But I want to film.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, try to film, Livy.
Yeah, this is gonna be the part to get out of.
You want me to hold it? Just say so.
I don't want you to hold it. I literally filming. Dad, say hi. Daddy.
Hi.
You literally said hi. Literally for a reason. We are going to a fairy woods. No. I don't want. I can hold it.
You want to hold it?
Yeah.
What do you want to say to them?
I love you.
Aww. Give them a kiss.
You know what you're doing? She's walking away. So Drew's walking away and she's not going to come anymore because she's through that woods. And we don't know.
You just cut your pants.
Oh yeah.
See how deep it is.
It's not that deep.
We'll see.
Nathan!
Dad,
What?
are these the black ones? The black ones, the dead ones? The yellow.
Those
these-
pine trees?
Yeah.
That's there's grass and then trees. I think those are pine trees, but they're dead.
Oh.
All of them?
They spray, the power line sprays all those trees, kills them. They don't want it getting up to the power line right there and then arcing out. And if you ever see a power line down on these lines ever from a storm or something, stay very far away from it. Oh yeah, we're gonna have to spray her shoes off. Oh, she was in the deep mud right there.
Brand new.
All right, put a marker right there, Nathan. Nathan.
Right here?
Yeah, we're gonna have to like clean their boots off when we get home.
What?
If Nathan was in charge of doing this, it would take literally
5 days.
5 days to make one trail. What do you think, guys?
Yes. He did this all while we were gone, Dad. Dad, didn't he?
Yeah. All right. We're just making it official. You know you stay on this trail to get back home. Oh my God, you know those that mud stains, right?
Huh?
The mud stains.
Not a frog.
Okay.
I don't know, we'll find
Guys, do you
out.
like my Santa shirt? It's almost Christmas.
Is that like a sinkhole right there?
I don't know, try it out.
Try it out.
Ooh, pretty soft. Please don't stand in the ants, Drew. You're gonna get bit. Those things are vicious, man. I mean, girl. Come on, let's go, guys. We're almost done.
Vicious and delicious. You know when I was like 7, I used to eat ants?
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. So you go up here, all the way from over that ridge, from out of the woods, up, and then you make a left right here. Put a marker right here, Nathan.
You don't need one.
Just put it right there in the tree somewhere so we could see. Oh, I already have one. Never mind. I already have one right there. Good job, Liv. I'm proud of you.
You're not proud of me?
Yeah. Put one on this tree right here, Nathan, please. Right here so you can see to turn into the woods, kind of. And then you go up through there, and then that leads us back to the field.
I caught a fish. Caught a fish.
Nice.
I don't want to go.
Nice. All right, we gotta go this way, Liv. Lead the way. Thanks for watching this video, guys. You think you can make that whole course, Drew?
No.
Sweet. We'll see.
I don't think she can. I can.
Almost home, Liv. All right, we made it out of the woods. Back to the field. That was the whole trail. Now Nathan has to ride it and see how it is on the dirt bike. Drew does too. That's where we entered at right there. You can see the marker right there. We made it.
It's tiring for me.
Yep.
Yeah. I'm so tired. Now we're gonna get
a good workout.
Good job, Phoenix. You're getting some.
Stay home.
Yay! Good job, Phoenix. You did it. All right, guys. We'll be back with the dirt bikes. All right, guys. We're ready to test out the trail. Drew and Nathan are gonna go do some test runs on it. Don't hit the GoPro. I got it situated in the front. Let's do it. You know where everything's at. What do you want me to get? Your phone? Okay. And your keys?
Put them under that hat right there.
I'm just gonna put them on the golf cart. All right, the golf cart's charging. Put those in there. All right, Drew. Get it, Drew. Gonna test the woods course out. Nathan's getting warmed up. Oh, he made this little jump. Let's see what he's got. Woo! Hit the jump, Drew. Hit the jump. Oh, she didn't hit it. Woo! Little bunny hop. Nice. Go over it slow. Go over it slow. Oh, there's a ditch on the other side. Yeah, Drew can't hit it because there's a ditch on the other side. If you gotta hit it, you gotta go fast. You gotta go like full speed. Yeah, you gotta go full speed if you're gonna do it. Yeah, we'll do that later. All right, here we go, guys. Nice. You ready? All right. Let's do it. I'm gonna go back with him to kind of keep an eye on Drew. I'm gonna go to the tough area. There they go. Here he comes. Where's Drew? Where'd she go? I don't even see her. She never came through.
I'll find her.
Okay.
I'll find her.
Drew, you got lost. You went too far. Come on. It's okay. I was worried about you.
I missed this turn.
Yeah. Okay, come on. I'm gonna walk with you. Come on, you can do it, Drew. Come on. All right, just go which way you think's the best way. You don't have to go fast. Just make it through. Follow the ribbons. You got it. Come on, Drew. Nathan already did 2 laps. You got it, Drew. Remember, don't slow down over like bumpy stuff because what level do you have it on? 4, that's good. There you go. Good job. See where you wear your boots? See where you wear your boots because you got to put your feet down sometimes. You got it, Drew. Come on. There you go. There you go. Power it through. Hit it, hit it, hit it. Down the hill right there. Don't go over angles on the logs. Get up that hill. Gas, gas, gas. Gas, gas. There you go. Good job, Drew. You're gonna come up on a tough area right here. Okay, this is gonna be a little tough right here, but you got it. Go around that log, see where Nathan went. Straight through there. You got it. It's okay. You got it, Drew. Right through there. Gas over that log right there. Press the gas and get up the hill. No, 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 you gotta go this way. Come on, you're almost out. This is the hard part. Go. Press the gas. Go. All right, go. All right. Go, I'm gonna push you, go. Go. Oh man, you got to go. There you go. All right. Okay, go right, down this hill right here. There you go. No, 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 this way. That way. There you go. Follow the ravine. Right there. There you go. All right. Go around that tree to the right, to the right, to the right. Yeah, this is going to be hard. This is going to be hard. No, right here, right here. You're going to have to go up that hill.
No.
You can try it.
No.
All right, I'll pull you up. You don't want to go?
No.
It's too steep?
Yeah.
All right, turn it on. I'll push you up. I'll help you push up.
No.
You got it, Drew. Come on.
No, it's too steep.
All right. I found her. All right, you're gonna have to get off, turn the bike off, and I'll pull it up. Here comes Nathan. All right, help me.
I'll hold the camera.
You hold the camera. All right.
Couldn't do it.
It's okay. You got to gas this right here. You have to get up the hill. All right, you got it right here. All right, that's a steep hill right there.
Okay, there you go.
All right, I wanted you to kind of go that way. Just wait for Nathan. Okay, you're on 5, so he's gonna come. Go right this way, go this way. Go. Right there, stop. Here comes Nathan. Here comes Nathan, let's see what he's got on this. Stay right there. You gotta go for it. Nice. See, I told you you have to go wide on that. If you would have went left, that would have been almost impossible. You got it, Drew. Follow Nathan. Go over the log. You got to hit gas and go over the log. You got it. Good. All right, almost done. Almost done. This is the easy part. There you go. There you go, Drew. It's okay. You're good. You're good. See why you wore your boots? It's a big hole right there. It's fine. You're good. Watch out, don't hold the gas. You got it. There you go. Just find your line. Left, right there. Follow the tags. Make a right there at the tree, the little tree. There you go. There you go. Make a right. Right through there. Good job. Make a left right there. Make a right. There you go. All right, home free. Just get out to the power line. Hold on, Drew. She made it. Now it's pretty much straight away from here. Nathan's coming back around. She did pretty good. I mean, there's some pretty tough spots through those woods. Good job. All right. Let's see what Nathan has through the woods coming out right here. Oh, man. She went past the trail, had a turnoff going into the wood section. She went past, I don't know how far she went down that road, but I called her as loud as I could and she didn't answer me. Here comes Nathan. I think this is his 4th lap. Woo! Nice. All right, guys. I don't know if Drew's gonna go another lap or not, but if she does, I'm gonna put the camera down and try to help her through again. Hopefully you guys like the trail we made through the woods course for practice for Nathan for next week's race. Nathan went through that mud right there. Drew did another lap, guys. Woohoo! All right, Drew. You just went left? Yeah. Off the wood. Good. I was going to say that. Instead of going around through the hard section, you can go left through the woods right there and just do like a circle.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, you could do it again.
Okay.
Good job, Drew. I'm proud of you. Okay. Oh, you know your number plates are coming. I got you custom numbers.
I know, but I had to move all those twigs.
Yeah, that's why I put your boots on. You did good. Proud of you. Good practice.
How far does that go?
A long ways until probably the power company. Power company makes power and then puts it on the power lines, and then it goes all the way to different station. Here comes Nathan. Let's see what he's got. All right, don't let him pass you. You got it, Drew. Looks like they're having fun. Here comes Nathan on his 6th lap. He's getting some good practice. Nice, that's your 6th lap, I think.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna
How did Drew get in front of me?
Well, I think she just cut left because that's too hard for her to get up that hill.
I went all the way around.
She fell over one time. Here she comes. I'm gonna put the GoPro on Drew's helmet one time. Here she comes.
Like right when I got out the end of the trail, she was right there. Like,
woo! Nice. All right, I'm gonna put the GoPro on you one time and you show them which way you go through the woods, okay? Are you just going left through the woods that way with all the ribbons? Good job. All right. All right, Drew.
what are they doing, Dad?
Your turn. She got the GoPro on. Mom wanted to ride the golf cart.
I'm not gonna have enough battery to go to the gym.
Yeah, you are. Hey, Mom. Mom came out to watch this race. Yay. All right, I thought you were gonna follow Drew to make sure she's okay, Nathan.
I can catch up to her.
All right, just be careful around her. Don't kick mud on her. Hey, babe, you off-roading? Fine. They're just practicing their woods course. She can?
Battery, I need to go
Fine.
to the gym with that.
Oh, okay.
Let Mom go ride around a little bit. See what you got. Nice.
He has weeds stuck in his.
I know. That woods course is pretty tough in some spots. Drew got lost.
Did she?
Yeah, she went straight instead of going right where I had the flags marked. Yeah, she was like a little bit. I had to run and find her. Oh, you guys, I was like, who is that? Sure enough, it's Mom and Liv.
She wanted to come for a ride.
Yeah, have fun.
Thanks.
Just drive around. Bye. Be careful. Love you.
Love you. Okay, guys.
Here comes Drew. Woohoo! All right. Want to do one more lap to see if you can do it faster? Here she goes. Get it, Drew. Nice. Oh yeah, guys, we are gonna get Drew to ride the KLX 110L, but the battery's dead, so we have a battery on order, so whenever it gets here, put it in, and then we'll teach her how to ride a full manual dirt bike. Woohoo! Woohoo! All right, Drew. Nice. You did good.
Why not?
All right, so what do you
You
rate?
cannot get over that big bump over there.
No. You gotta
I
have,
can.
I know, you did good. It's pretty tough actually. It's really like steep. And then you have to have power going over it and slow down so you don't run into the trees. All right, guys, thumbnail, Nathan. All right, cool. All right, you guys do one more lap and then we'll put them up. Get in there! Woo! Liv, be careful. Where's your shoes? Come here, Liv. Say hi, Liv. Hi, Mom. Hi, Feeny. She looks like that girl from Little House on the Prairie going down the hill. Be careful, Liv. Here she comes, she made it. Woohoo! All right, Drew. Proud of you. You did it, baby. Arm pump, baby.
I know.
All right, let's turn this GoPro off.
For you.
All right, hold on.
Okay, comment down below, is dirt bike riding harder or is horse riding harder?
Okay.
I would think horse riding is because you have to brush your
Dirt bike
horse.
riding or horse riding? Just post in the comments, guys.
Because I think horse riding is because you have to put
Here comes Nate Dogg. Woohoo! Good practice.
That's pretty, I would say it's about a mile.
Yeah. Hey, that's good practice right there. So if you could practice that when you get out of school, just do a couple laps maybe. And every time you run it, it's gonna get where you can like see the terrain better. Or maybe not tomorrow, the next day. And I'm gonna get you a Camelback. That way you have water on your back so you're not thirsty the whole time.
So it's this week, the race.
Sunday. Yeah, the race is Sunday. All right, guys. He's mad because they're riding the golf cart and he wanted to use a golf cart to go work out tonight. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching this video of the kids practicing on the woods course trail that we made for them to practice on. You guys are the best, better than the rest. Ride, fly, 50 gigawatts.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Bye, guys. Bye, Drew.